This is Landmark Hotel. Right. This is the hall you are using for the OPU UAE launching. Coordinator is Excellency Akinditure Owoshimi. Again, is all we are using. This is Landmark Hotel, and this is the hall. It contains over 300 people. OPU members all over the world, from America, Canada, Europe, Asia here, Africa. UAE launching. God bless OPU UAE. God bless OPU Asia. God bless OPU worldwide. God bless our convener, Are Dr. Gani Adams, Are Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land. God bless Are Gani Adams. God bless OPU UAE coordinator,